In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a circle photo in Canva. If you want to give your design a cleaner, more polished look, turning a regular photo into a circle is a great and very simple technique. Canva makes this easy by using frames, which automatically crop your image into different shapes. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a circle photo and adjust it so it looks just right. To begin, open your Canva workspace and look over to the left side panel. This is where you'll find all the main design tools you need. Click on Elements to open the library of shapes, graphics, and frames. Once you're in the Elements section, go to the search bar and type Circle Frame, then press Enter. Canva will show you a variety of results, so take a moment to look through them. What you're looking for is a simple round frame, often displayed with a placeholder image that looks like a blue sky and green hills. That placeholder is Canva's way of showing that it's a frame and not just a regular shape. When you find the basic circle frame, click on it to add it to your design page. It will appear on your canvas, ready for your photo. If needed, you can always move it around later, but for now, just focus on getting the frame in place. Next, go to Uploads or open your photo gallery, depending on where your image is stored. Find the picture you want to use, then click and drag it directly into the circle frame. As soon as you drop it onto the frame, Canva will automatically snap the image into the circular shape. This is what makes frames so useful. You don't need to manually crop the image yourself. If the photo doesn't look perfect right away, don't worry. Double-click the image inside the circle frame to adjust it. This lets you reposition the photo and zoom in or out so the most important part of the image is visible. For example, if you're working with a portrait, you may want to center the face more carefully within the circle. Take your time here, because this small adjustment can make a big difference in the final result. Once you're happy with how the image looks, simply click Done outside the image area to apply the changes. And that's it, you now have a circle photo in Canva. This is a quick technique, but it's incredibly useful for profile pictures, team slides, social media graphics, and modern presentations. With just a few clicks, you can make your images look much more professional and visually consistent.